Okay. Good evening, everyone. Today we will discuss about our microbe, which is Noctiluca scintillans. Under this Adobe Micro program, firstly, I will give a brief introduction about our microbe. Noctiluca scintillans, commonly known as a sea sparkle, is a free-living, non-parasitic, and marine-dwelling of dinoflagellate that exhibits bioluminescence when disturbed. Generally, Noctiluca scintillans is a dinoflagellate, and in a strict sense, it is not an animal. In Latin, Noctiluca means shine by night, and sparkling. Scintillans means sparkling. And I will begin with my topic, which is classification. Taxonomic classification is a hierarchical system used for classifying organisms to the species level. Firstly, the broadest classification, which is domain. Noctiluca scintillans is under domain Eukarya because Noctiluca scintillans have a true nucleus. The next one will be kingdom. Noctiluca scintillans is under kingdom Protista. Organisms in this kingdom are mostly unicellular, but some are multicellular and colonial. They can be heterotrophic or autotrophic, either sexual or asexual. These are eukaryotic organisms that are not plants, animal, or fungi, and therefore they do not fit into any other organism kingdom. Sorry. And under phylum, Noctiluca scintillans is under phylum Dinoflagellata. Dinoflagellates are unicellular organisms with biflagellated cells. This group consists of both heterotrophic or autotrophic organisms. The next one will be class. Noctiluca scintillans is under class Noctilucificae. Organisms in this class are dinoflagellates with a large, free-living, inflated vacuoles. The next one will be order. Noctiluca scintillans is under order Noctilucales. In Noctiluca scintillans, the major cell is diploid and it shows gametic meiosis. The cells of this organism are very large and buoyant. This puts them in this order. And under family, Noctiluca scintillans is under family Noctiluaceae. Organisms in this family are characterized by highly buoyant, motile cell with a flagellum and a feeding tentacle. And under genus, Noctiluca scintillans will be under genus Noctiluca. Organisms in this genus are bioluminescent and phagotropic. Bioluminescent, as we know, it can shine, and phagotropic, it uses phagocytic vesicle to engulf a particle. And under species, it will be Noctiluca scintillans. Thank you. That's all about Noctiluca scintillans taxonomic classification. The next one will be Aidil will brief us about the description of Noctiluca scintillans. Thank you.
Okay, hi everyone. I will explain about the description of the Noctiluca stillas. First of all, the shape of Noctiluca stillas is round round and it is large and ammo. Next is the cell with a slanted tentacle. Noctiluca stillas flagellate cell with Noctiluca stillas is eukaryotic. Next, Noctiluca scintillas have cytoplasm that contain do not have chloroplast. The cell size of Noctiluca scintillas is around 200 until 2000 micromillimeter. That is very small and cannot be seen by naked eyes. Noctiluca scintillas can live in cold or warm water. Noctiluca scintillas is dangerous to fish because Noctiluca scintillas can produce ammonium during large bloom that can produce toxic and bring dangerous to fish. The chromosome of Noctiluca scintillas is not clearly visible and it condenses throughout the life cycle. Then next, I will give it to Shamila to explain it part. Thank you.
Okay, Fatin.
So my part is ecology. Noctiluca scintillan is a strongly buoyant planktonic species common in Nearctic and coastal region of the world. It is also bioluminescent in some part of the world. This bloom-forming species is associated with fish and marine invertebrate mortality events. Bloom color partly derived from the pigment of organisms inside the vacuole of Noctiluca scintillans. Next, I will pass to Shamila to continue with ecology.
Okay, the Noctiluca scintillans red tide frequently from in spring to summer in many parts of the world, often resulting in a strong pinkish red or orange discoloration of in the water. The green tides result from Noctiluca scintillans populations having green pigmented pharinophyte living in their vacuole. Okay, the next is the metabolism.
Okay. Okay, the metabolism of Noctiluca scintillans is a phagotrophic species with many food vehicles found throughout its cytoplasm. They engulf smaller marine species such as xanthan, protozoan, fish egg, and certain bacteria, and digest them in the food vehicle. Next, I pass to Fifi.
Dengar. Noctiluca scintillans have this vacuole which is contain ammonia gas that allow their buoyancy. Next, that's from me.
Is it net? Is it metabolism significance? Okay, for the significance is Noctiluca scintillans are known for being major cause of red tides. Noctiluca scintillans is a common and numerous component of heterotrophic plankton living in the Black Sea. Noctiluca scintillans, also known as the sea sparkles, is a single-cell dinoflagellate that exhibits bioluminescence. Noctiluca scintillans act as a prey for a copepod. So I will pass to Anissa.
Okay, and Noctiluca scintillans also is important because it is a type of phytoplankton and it becomes the source of food for higher living organisms. And Noctiluca scintillans population in the Black Sea has a significant influence on the phytoplankton community over periods of its mass development. In addition, Noctiluca scintillans can indirectly influence the phytoplankton through feeding on heterotrophic microzooplankton. Noctiluca scintillans population is also significant for the process of energy transformation in the plankton community of the Black Sea. Okay, and I give back to Mohan for the conclusion.
Okay, after we have discussed about the metabolism, ecology, significance about our microbe, which is Noctiluca scintillans, I will end up this video with a brief conclusion about a microbe. Okay, although we were discussing about many wonders of Noctiluca scintillans, but we cannot. Why? There is something bigger that must be dealt with. The numbers of plankton, which is also include Noctiluca scintillans, are decreasing at an alarming rate. There has been 40% decrease of plankton in the world's ocean. Scientists believe that this decrease is due to the rising sea surface temperature and changes in the ocean's condition. As a result, fewer nutrients rise up from the lower layers of ocean to serve as food for the phytoplankton in the upper layers. So, in order to save these creatures, which is also our microbe, which is Noctiluca scintillans, in the same, we need to raise awareness by doing fundraising so that it could create a new technology to lower the sea surface temperature. It is really important purpose, and this kind of species, such as Noctiluca scintillans, deserve to be saved because without them, our oceans might not be the same. So that's all about our microbe, which is Noctiluca scintillans. Thank you.